Setting up your Google Nest Mini is a straightforward process. First, let's look at the device itself. The first step is to download the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet. This app will guide you through the entire setup process. Once you have the app installed, open it and you'll see the main interface. The app will help you add and manage your smart home devices. In the app, look for the option to add a new device. The app will guide you through the process of discovering and connecting your Nest Mini. The most important step is connecting to your Wi-Fi network. Make sure you have your Wi-Fi password ready and that your Nest Mini is positioned close to your router for the best connection. Here's how your network setup works. Your internet connection goes through your modem to your wireless router, which then provides Wi-Fi signals to your devices, including your Nest Mini. For the best setup experience, ensure your Nest Mini is within range of your router, have your Wi-Fi password ready, and follow the step-by-step prompts in the Google Home app. The setup process typically takes just a few minutes. To change the Wi-Fi network your Google Nest Mini is connected to, you'll need to access the device settings through the Google Home app. Select your Nest Mini device from the list of available devices in your home. Navigate to the Wi-Fi settings within the device options. This will show you the current network connection. You may need to forget the existing network before connecting to a new one. This removes the saved network credentials. If you encounter connection issues, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try to resolve the problem. First, double-check your Wi-Fi password. Incorrect passwords are the most common cause of connection failures. Restart both your router and Nest Mini. This clears temporary connection issues and refreshes the network connection. Ensure your Nest Mini is close to the router during setup. Distance and obstacles can interfere with the Wi-Fi signal strength. For persistent issues, you can perform a factory reset using the button on the back of your Nest Mini. Note that Google has acknowledged some reliability issues with Google Assistant on Nest devices and expects to release a fix in fall 2025.